Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create new document from Google Drive. We are using Google Docs. Okay, the first step, we need internet connection. In this video, I'm using Windows 11. So you can using other operating system that you want. You can use Mac OS, Windows or Linux because we using browser apps. In this video, we need internet connection, and next step is open Microsoft Edge or other browser. We open Microsoft Edge. Then we can go to drive.google.com, then enter. You need to sign in Google Drive. I was make a video before to sign in Google Drive. You can watch the video. And the next, after you're signed in on Google Drive, you can click New, then Google Docs. You can use blank document or from a template. We can try blank new document like this. This is Office Online. Yes, Office Cloud from Google. This is the name of Google Docs. It looks simple. Yes, it looks different from Microsoft Office, but it's accessible from internet connection. File like this, edit, view, insert. You can type like other Office. Yes, you can type words like this on other. In Google Docs, it automatically saved on Google Drive. We can check it. Yes, this. It's automatically saved on the cloud. You can change name of document file in here. You can change hello world it likes. Its time was changed like this. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I am sorry if I have mistake and my bad English. Thanks, bye.